Leveraging technology to bridge the distance. Technology has revolutionized long-distance real estate investing, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. Advanced tools and platforms allow you to analyze properties, monitor market trends, and manage your investments without ever stepping foot on site. Embracing these technologies can save you time and effort while minimizing the challenges of managing properties from afar. Virtual property tours are a game changer for remote investors. Using three-dimensional walkthroughs and high-resolution video, you can inspect every detail of a property, from its layout to potential issues, without leaving your home. These virtual tools provide a comprehensive view that rivals in-person visits, allowing you to make informed decisions with confidence. Drone footage adds another layer of insight, showcasing the property's exterior, neighborhood, and surrounding amenities. Online marketplaces and analysis tools simplify the process of identifying lucrative opportunities. Platforms like Zillow, Realtor, and Mashvisor provide data on property values, rental yields, and neighborhood trends. Advanced analytics allow you to compare potential investments side by side, ensuring you choose the most promising options. Real-time data and heat maps can highlight emerging markets, giving you an edge over competitors. Once you've secured a property, technology remains your ally in day-to-day management. Property management software like Buildium and Appfolio enables you to track rent payments, schedule maintenance, and communicate with tenants seamlessly. Smart home devices such as security cameras and remote locks provide added control and peace of mind, ensuring your investment is well maintained even from miles away. Integrating these tools into your investment strategy enhances efficiency and allows you to stay connected to your properties no matter the distance. By leveraging the power of technology, you can confidently navigate the complexities of long-distance investing while maximizing returns.